It woke me up. I know it's hard to see, but you can see it. Look at it. Look at it! Oh my gosh, it's huge. It started with car alarm. There, I turned my porch light on. Maybe you can see it better. Look how big it is. Ah! Look. Not the best videographer. Anyway, that woke me up. 3:15. Yeah. This is a piece of hail. It is 3:15 in the morning. And this woke me up. Ooh, I shouldn't show all my nasty dishes. This woke me up. Melting quickly. But look how huge it is. It started the car alarms out in the yard. Or out in the